Hey guys, welcome to Moto Check. Today I'm gonna install a screen protector on my motorcycle dashboard. Uh, Purchased it from eBay. It is Speedo Angels. I'm gonna put a link in the description. It comes in a nice packing, and it has the instructions for dry and wet install. Come with a two protector screen. One is anti-glare and another one is ultra clear. It's come with a squeegee and a nice cloth. As a first step, I'm gonna put the protector on a screen just to see how it's gonna look like. As you can see, this is the anti-glare one. I'm gonna try the other one too, the ultra clear, just to see. Yeah, exactly same. So they both are exactly same. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm gonna use my camera cleaning kit to spray off all the dust particle. I'm gonna use a lens cleaning brush to clean any stubborn dust particle. Make sure all the fingerprints remove. So for that, I'm gonna use a camera lens cleaning brush. Just to ensure that it's nice and clean. I'm gonna use this nice cloth. Avoid touching the screen because it leaves the fingerprints. So as the instruction is to remove the number one, the red sticker. I'm not gonna remove all at once. I'm gonna remove a little bit and then work my way. I'm gonna use a card which comes with it to take any bubble out. Please take your time. This thing requires some patience. Okay, I'm gonna peel off the protection. And here you go. It's perfect. It looks perfect. Let's check it out. Oh, this is great. Anti-glare screen protector from Speedo Angel. I highly recommend that product. Protect your screen, any scratches. I'm gonna keep the other protector screen just in case if I need to replace it. Want to switch it to the ultra clear one. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.